Hi you guys, I thought I would show you how I've been uploading my writing so that I can see each individual student's works. So I go into an assignment, I label it, then I give my instruction. First, watch a video. Second, do the giraffe writing. Then I'm going to come here to the add button. So both of these that I use today are in the Google Drive. So I would go to the Google Drive. I'm going to go to my drive. Yours might be somewhere else, but I put the e-learning lessons in my drive. If you didn't put your e-learning lessons in your drive, they're going to be in the shared drive. Go to the e-learning lessons, second grade, writing, and then this week's writing assignments. Now, this one right here is the plan that I made for the lessons. Any of the tools that you might need for that plan are also in this folder. So I would just go to this folder. This first one is the video of the how-to. So I'm just going to click on that because I want them to see the how-to video first, and then I added that. Students, I'm going to make sure this one is a students can view file. I only want them to view this file. If they can do anything more than that, they'll be able to move things around and change things, and that won't work. So then I want them to do their actionable item, which for today was the draft writing. So I go to add, go to Google Drive again, my drive, e-learning lessons, second grade. It'd be nice if I could do less clicking somehow. Writing, 3:30. Again, I'm going to go into tools because I know today is the draft writing according to the plan. And I am going to take this and click on it and then add it. Now this is the giraffe writing is the one I want them to write on. So over here where it says students can view file, I'm going to click it and I'm going to say make a copy for each student. Then I'm going to assign it. That will make sure that each student has their very own copy that they do. I also do stuff with the point system. I don't have it be 100 points and some things like that, but you can do whatever you want there. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Thanks, bye.